And when we arrived here, we found a contingent of police officers at the gate. There were several young people also outside, and but the police didn't try and get in at that stage. So we were inside and sat there with Mheshimiwa. Eventually we came to sit in an outbuilding, and then shortly thereafter there was a huge contingent of police. I think there were over 300 police officers. We are informed that it was somewhat Gishu coming all the way from Kitale as reinforcement. And they came in, and when they came to the gate, because we were in the outer gate, I spoke to them, and I did inform them that Honorable Sudi was not resisting arrest, that he's in his homestead, I think, because we were in a gazebo. And we also informed them that we have no objection to them coming in. And the only challenge we had is because the police had come and there had been some fracas and there had been some gunshots and tear gas, the employees had run away. So we did not have anybody who had a key to the gate. So we told them we don't have the keys to the gate because we were guests. And so, but I told them as his lawyer, you can break the gate and come in. And they eventually didn't break the main gate, but they broke a side gate, got into the property. We were sitting outside, and the police came. There were so many, but we raised our hands and told them that we were peaceful. And eventually we told them that they were free, since we did not know who was inside the main house, that they could break the door if nobody was opening it, because they believed that Honorable Sudi was there. We told them we were not sure because we weren't seated in the main house at that time. And so, but we also know from that on the outside the gate, we are told that the Honorable Sudi's watchman was injured, was shot, and was rushed to hospital. We don't even know, but the county commandant assured us that they had rushed him to hospital because it was in the middle of the night and we couldn't see anything. We are also told that there were also a few other injuries to civilians, and they have only just left this morning after searching the house and ensuring that they've confirmed that Honorable Sudi was not at the house, and so they have left the premises at the moment. So I think one problem is coming to look for somebody in the night. I mean, Honorable Sudi yesterday the day before was actually in town with the permission of the police who were present at the rally. They could have picked him at that time. They could have informed him and told him that we require you at the police station the following day, like today morning. That would not have been a problem. But coming at night, it created as if it's almost, people were suspicious. It caused a lot of tension in the area because people wonder, when you come and look for somebody at night, people panic. So I feel that it was irresponsible. The decision to come and pick someone at night in the middle of a village is irresponsible, because that is just unnecessary tension, and people believe that if you're going at night to someone's house, it's either you want to kill them or you want to steal from them. And people panic, and there was panic, but we thank God that we were able to tell young people that we explained to them, and that was covered by the media, that they must be peaceful and they should not do anything harmful. And in fact, they did not. And that's why and remember, and let's go on record, Honorable Sudi did not resist arrest, because the police were able to drive cleanly through, all the way from town to Kapseret up to his doorstep and parked there. So that nobody stopped them from coming up to the gate. Yes. So, but the beginning they didn't attempt to get in. It was only later when the second contingent arrived, and I asked them, why didn't you come in earlier? They said, oh, it's because we were waiting for reinforcement, which is understandable. But once they came into the house, I must say that they conducted the search decently. They were not violent inside. I worry about what happened outside.